Hey everyone, welcome back to Taumme. I'm Tasif,
And I'm Umme.
and this is your favorite English learning podcast, where learning English is fun, not boring.
Today, we've got something super funny and super helpful for you.
Yes, we're talking about the 10 funniest English mistakes you're still making.
We all make mistakes when learning English, even us. So don't worry, laugh with us and learn with us.
Exactly. Let's start with number 1. Mistake 1. I am agree.
Ooh, classic one. So many learners say, I am agree.
But the correct one is, I agree.
Right. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. So you don't need am.
Just say, I agree with you. Simple. Mistake 2. He do homework every day.
Grammar alert. It should be, he does homework every day.
Yes, for he, she, it, we use does, not do.
Imagine your teacher hearing he do homework. They'll say, do you do grammar?
Good one. So remember, he does, she does, it does. Mistake 3. I am here since morning.
This one sounds okay, but it's wrong.
Right. It should be, I have been here since morning.
Because since needs perfect tense, have been.
So, I am here since morning. I have been here since morning. Mistake 4. She didn't told me.
Oh, this one hurts. When we use did, the main verb stays in base form.
So it should be, she didn't tell me, not told.
Yes, the did already shows past tense, so tell stays simple.
Mistake 5. He is more better than me.
Double comparative. Sounds powerful, but it's wrong.
Haha, yeah. More better doesn't exist. Just say better.
Right. He is better than me. Simple and perfect.
Mistake 6. Open the fan.
That one is so common in South Asia.
Yes, but we don't say open for fan or light. We say turn on.
So say turn on the fan or turn on the light.
And turn off when you want to stop it. Mistake 7. Today morning, I went to gym.
This one is almost correct, but not natural.
Right. We don't say today morning. We say this morning.
So this morning I went to the gym.
Tiny change, big difference. Mistake 8. I am having a car.
I wish, but that's wrong.
Yes, have here means possession, so we don't use it in continuous form.
Correct one is I have a car.
You can say I'm having lunch, but not I'm having a car.
Unless you're eating the car.
Don't eat cars, please.
Don't eat cars, please.
Mistake 9. My hairs are long.
Oh, yes. Another very common one.
Hair is an uncountable ounce, so we say my hair is long.
If you talk about individual strands, then hairs is possible, but usually hair.
So my hair is long, not hairs. Mistake 10. I didn't knew that.
Ooh, very popular mistake online.
It's wrong because after did, we use the base form. So I didn't know that.
Yes, knew is past, but did already makes it past.
So next time you hear someone say, I didn't knew that, you can smile and say, now you know that. And that's a wrap. That's the 10 funniest English mistakes people still make.
If you found yourself saying one or two of these, don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes while learning English.
Exactly. The goal is to learn and laugh together.
Which one of these mistakes did you make before? Tell us in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who also want to learn English.
Thanks for listening. This is Taumme. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you in the next podcast.